we decided that we want the other 3 piglets from the litter. They are fast. Brought Benji with me this morning to come check on the pigs and chickens. Good morning, chickens. Come on out, chickens. Hi, Kiwi. Hi, Duchess. Come on, Peaches. Come on. Out, out. So far I've been separating the pigs and chickens until they are more used to each other. Good morning, pig pigs. They're still kind of scared. Good morning. They like to go in the crate at night to sleep. And if they see us come in to close them in, to give them extra protection, they'll run right out. So we have to wait until they're sleeping and then we come close them in. But they are really protected in the coop here. We have the hardware cloth laid down and the chicken wire and such. So it'd be pretty hard for a predator to get in here. The chickens are still able to get into their coop. I open up this back door here so they can jump up onto that hay bale and get in the straw bale. Good morning! I brought you some treats. They love getting the crust from when the kids eat a sandwich because, you know, most kids do not eat the crust. But the chickens don't mind. As much as I love my dog, he's really annoying. He really wants to come in here and see the pigs, or he's mad that they're getting food scraps. One of the two. It's okay, piggies. They're still pretty scared, but they did come out and take some of the food from me, which is good. My dog and chicken want to know what is going on. It was a nice day yesterday. They did not come out and do anything. The day before, they finished spreading out all the piles of soil and whatnot that they had. I believe that they brought in more as well. We still need to have the septic tank put in and the pillars. Hello! Today is the day before Thanksgiving and the guys are over here working on the property. So they are pouring the pillars today and they also put in the septic tank. So definitely made some good progress today. They're still over here working. There's about another hour, hour and a half of daylight left. As you can see, they have the cement mixer over there, getting ready to pour the pillars. What you see here is all new that they did today, so they must have laid the pipes and whatnot in. The piggies went and hid in their little crate. They might be a little scared right now. Hi girls! How are you? You think I have treats for you? Do you think I have treats? Want some green beans? Okay, you guys, that is the first time that the pigs have taken food from me. That's so exciting. Are you starting to trust me a little bit? Some green beans? Hi, so cute. Enough messing around, Mom. Say the chickens, give us our treats. So I have some broken up sausage that was from breakfast that we didn't eat. And extra protein is good for them right now because they are still molting. You can see all their feathers. So they definitely need a little extra protein in their diet right now. And there's the excavator over there doing its thing. It's very exciting. There has been so much progress made here today. So down there they poured the pillars. I thought that they had to put a pad on top of that, but I guess they don't. The house just sits on that, and they put some blocks down for it to go on. Septic is in. It is behind where the house is going to go, and then our pipes are back there. And they put the rocks down and everything. So they said that they're pretty much done doing their work here, and they just have to bring the house over now. Hopefully beginning of next week it will be here, and then after that we'll have to have the plumbing, you know, the electrical and all that done. So, but this is great. I'm so glad that they made all this progress today, and I'm super pumped to actually see our house here, like possibly within another week. Hey everybody, it's about 9 o'clock on Sunday morning. Nick and I were talking a couple of days ago, and we decided that we want the other 3 piglets from the litter of the pigs we just got last Sunday. So there are 2 more girls and 1 boy. We'll have in total 4 girls and 1 boy. Heading up there to pick them up. They're right near Nashville, so it's a little over 2 hours, almost 2.5 hours. I'm heading up by myself to pick them up. As you can see, I got the crate in the van. They are fast. Well, we got the pigs loaded into the van. You can see the guinea hens are saying goodbye. So it was a little hard to get them all, but they are in there now. Bye, guinea hens. All right, we got the piggies loaded. So it is time to head home. It's gonna take like 2.5 hours.